How to update Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can update Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to update Snapchat, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is, first of all, simply swipe down and then make sure that you're connected to a proper internet connection, as you can find over here. Once you make sure you're connected to the internet, what I want you to do is, if you're on Android, open up Play Store. If you're on iOS, open up your App Store, and then in the search box, just go ahead and then type in Snapchat. Now all you have to do is, after you type in Snapchat, you'll be able to see the Snapchat app. If you see the update button next to the Snapchat app, it means that the app requires an update. So now all you got to do is tap the update option. If you see open instead of update, it means that it is already updated to the latest version. So this way you'll be able to update Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.